Right, so now this is an example of how you can complete your basic cycle tracker. So I tend to use this by including 3 to 5 words on each day, including something that is most important to me and maybe the symptoms that are most challenging to me. So you can see from the chart that I include the date of my first bleed. I also track my bleed. So I track my light flow, medium flow and heavy flow. And I use this, or I complete this by adding little dots to signify a light flow for 1 dot, medium flow with 2 dots and a heavy flow with 3 dots. Now again, it's entirely up to you how you complete your own cycle tracker, but this is what I found works really well. The other thing I also include is a heart for if I felt it was a good day, and a great big huge exclamation mark for days that are a little bit more troublesome. I also include an S if I have any spotting sort of mid-cycle. So there are times where I have spotting around ovulation, or maybe a day or two before I actually start to bleed fully. So I add details of this as well. Now, what I actually do, and that's not included on this graph in front of you, is that I also color code. So for my winter, I then highlight in blue. And then for my spring, I highlight in pink. When I move into my summer, I highlight in yellow, and for my autumn, I highlight in orange. And this helps me have an overview, a better overview, and a more visual overview of my full cycle, so that when I go back and track and have sort of three cycles in front of me from the last 3 cycles, I'm able to pinpoint where things are a little bit more challenging and how I actually move through my cycle. But again, see what works for you. Be creative and just have fun with it.